What is the most convenient mode of transport to reach difficult hilly terrains of our country? At the end of this lesson, you should be able to describe the features of major seaports in India and locate them. Name the national inland waterways of India. Describe the importance of air transport. These containers with heavy materials inside need to be exported from India to Australia. What would be the most convenient and cheapest way of transport for exporting these goods? Waterways are most suitable and cheapest means of transport for carrying heavy and bulky goods. Water transport is a fuel-efficient and environment-friendly mode of transport. India is one of the seafaring countries. Since history, its seamen sailed far and near, thus carrying and spreading Indian commerce and culture. India's trade with foreign countries is carried from the ports located along the coast. 95% of the country's trade volume is moved by sea, that accounts 68% in terms of value. With a long coastline of 7,516.6 kilometers, India is dotted with 12 major and 181 medium and minor ports. These major ports handle 95% of India's foreign trade. The tidal port Kandla in Kutch was the first port developed soon after independence to ease the volume of trade on the Mumbai port. Can you infer the importance of Kandla port? Kandla is an important port as it conveniently handles of exports and imports of highly productive granary and industrial belt of northern India stretching across the states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Mumbai is the biggest port with a spacious, natural and well-sheltered harbour. The Jawaharlal Nehru port was planned with a view to decongest the Mumbai port and serve as a hub port for this region. Marmagova port in Goa is the premier iron ore exporting port of the country. This port accounts for about 50% of India's iron ore export. New Mangalore port, located in Karnataka, caters to the export of iron ore concentrates from Kudremukh mines. Kochi is the extreme southwestern port, located at the entrance of a lagoon with a natural harbour. In the eastern coast, Tuticorin port has a natural harbour and rich hinterland. It has a flourishing trade handling of a large variety of cargoes to even our neighbouring countries like Sri Lanka, Maldives, etc. and the coastal regions of India. Chennai is one of the oldest artificial ports of the country. It is ranked next to Mumbai in terms of volume of trade and cargo. Visakhapatnam is the deepest landlocked and well-protected port. How a port can be landlocked? The port is surrounded by land on its three sides, that is why it's called as landlocked. Visakhapatnam port was originally conceived as an outlet for iron ore exports. Paradweep port, located in Orissa, also specialized in the export of iron ore. Why are these ports in the eastern coast specialized in export of iron ore? These ports in the eastern coast serve as points for exporting iron ore found in the mines present in nearby plateau region. Kolkata is an inland riverine port. This port serves a very large and rich hinterland of Ganga-Brahmaputra basin. Being a tidal port, it requires constant dredging of Hooghly River. Haldia port was developed as a subsidiary port in order to relieve growing pressure on the Kolkata port. India has inland navigation waterways of 14,500 kilometers in length. Out of these, only 3,700 kilometers are navigable by mechanized boats. Some of the waterways declared as the national waterways by the government are National Waterways Number 1 in the Ganga River between Allahabad and Haldia, which covers 1,620 kilometers. National Waterways Number 2 in the Brahmaputra River between Sadia and Dhubri, that covers 891 kilometers. National Waterways Number 3 in the West Coast Canal in Kerala includes Kottaparmakomman, Udyogmandal and Champakara, that covers 205 kilometers. The other viable inland waterways include the Godavari, Krishna, Barak, Sundarbans, Buckingham Canal, Brahmani, East Coast Canal and Damodar Valley Corporation Canal. What would be the most convenient means of transport to reach this area? Such mountainous regions can be reached easily through air transport. Air transport can cover very difficult terrains like high mountains, dreary deserts, dense forests, and also long oceanic stretches with great ease. The northeastern part of the country is marked with the presence of big rivers, dissected relief, dense forests, and frequent floods and international frontiers, etc. Air travel has made access easier in the northeastern region. The air transport in India was nationalized in 1953. On the operational side, Indian Airlines and other private scheduled airlines and non-scheduled operators provide domestic air services. Air India, Indian Airlines, and some other private airlines such as Jet Airways, Kingfisher Airlines provide international air services. Can you name some of the countries connected by Indian Airlines? Indian Airlines covers major destinations from Kuwait in the Middle East to Singapore in East Asia. It is operated between 58 countries including Qatar, UAE, Malaysia, Thailand, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Have a look at the map to view the major domestic and international airports of the country. Pawan Hans Helicopters Limited provides helicopter services to Oil and Natural Gas Corporation in its offshore operations. Pawan Hans also provides services to inaccessible areas and difficult terrains like northeastern states and the interior parts of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Though air travel is not economically affordable to a major section of the society, it is the fastest, most comfortable and prestigious mode of transport.